If your OneNote notes are stalling or not syncing right away on Windows 10, there's a quick way to refresh everything and push your data to the cloud instantly. In this video, I'll show you the fastest keyboard shortcuts to refresh OneNote so you can make sure your notebooks are up to date without wasting time. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips. Let's get started. If you want to refresh all open notebooks in OneNote, simply press F9 on your keyboard. This tells OneNote to sync and update every notebook that is currently open, which is perfect when you've made several changes and want everything sent to the cloud at once. If you only want to refresh the notebook you're currently working in, press Shift plus F9. This is useful when one notebook is giving you trouble, or you just want to sync a single project instead of all of them. It's a simple shortcut, but it can save you a lot of time when OneNote feels like it's not updating properly. So remember, F9 refreshes all open notebooks, and Shift plus F9 refreshes only the current notebook. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.